Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing one of my favorite videos ever, which is a bag unboxing, bag review. It is a beautiful day today and I was like, why not film one of my favorite topics to film about, which is about bags. So today I'm going to be doing a mini bag unboxing. Well, technically it's not unboxing because I've had it for a couple of months, but I realized that I never did a video about it because I got it in Japan. So I was like, never filmed about it, I guess. So today's the day to be talking about it and I'm so excited. Also, my nails, they're just Barbie pink and I'm here for it. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video because I'm so excited and ready to share it with you guys. It's in an emotional world dust bag, but this is literally the cutest thing ever. Guys, this is the BALENCIAGA Le CAGOLE bag. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, probably not, but it is just the light pink one and it's looking a little bit more blue tone, but it's the most beautiful light pink color ever. I'm obsessed with it. And I feel like this has been one of the most popular bags of this year, as well as last year. I feel like I saw it a lot last year as well. Even more this year, I feel like so many people are getting multiple colors. Like lots of bloggers that I like, you know, have the white, the black, the pink, the metallic, and I'm here for it because it's so cute and it's very like my style. So I just kind of want to talk about it and 种草 for you guys because我就是被种草的. It's just a light pink color and it has the silver studs all throughout the bag. Like the hardware of it is very like in your face. In the beginning, when I first saw this bag, I was like, not that cute. And then it just grew on me. I feel like that happens to me a lot with bags. The more I see it, the more it grows on me, but you can adjust the straps here. I kind of have it on like the longest one, but oh, what I like about it is it's very cute because you could adjust it on both sides. So that side, this side, and it has a little heart mirror. So is it focusing? Yeah, it just says like Balenciaga and it's a little mirror so you can apply your lipstick throughout the day with it. So this is kind of like a spin on the bags, the classic like biker bags that they released so long ago. Like I remember when I was like, I don't know, like 10 or something, like my family friend had the big version, like the squarish rectangular version that they first released several years ago, back in fashion. So it's like, you know, fashion is always like a full circle moment. So never sell your bags, guys, because you never know if it's going to come back in style and it'll be nice and vintage by then. So I saw bloggers putting those keychains, like I'm pretty sure those ones also have mirrors, taking it off and then putting it on their Le CAGOLE bag. I'm not sure if mine is the biggest one, I'm pretty sure it is, but they also have like a smaller size with just like the chain strap instead of the leather strap. I just think that's a little bit too small, but they have that size, they have this size, they have multiple colors, they have white, black, metallic, pink. They have this pink in so many colors, like, but I remember when I went to the store, there was like 3 different shades of pink. It was like a Barbie pink, this pink, and like a purpley pink. So yeah, of course I had to go with this one. It's just so cute. Like even like if I wear it with like a simple black t-shirt, cute. And it fits very with my vibes because I definitely, for my everyday looks at least, I'm more on the cooler side. So a bag like this definitely fits with like my everyday wardrobe. I can wear it as a crossbody as well, which I think is really cute. I kind of have it as like a shoulder bag right now, shoulder bag moment, but absolutely obsessed. And I just feel like this will be in style for the next little bit. This basically came back in style. Like it was in style like 10 years ago, so it'll always be in style, basically. And it can fit so much. Like, let me open it up. What do I have in here? But since it is like the fall weather now, I feel like I'm gonna get so much more use out of it. So I will be doing like a what fits inside video in the future if you guys are interested. Like I already worn it out a couple of times and it can fit so much. Like your wallet, your keys, lipstick, powder, your phone, obviously, hand cream, maybe my G7X, probably a CCD. So those are all of my essentials and it could definitely fit into this bag. And I just love the heart mirror on it. It's just so cute. I'm gonna turn around so it's not too bright, but all the studding is just so me and I love it so much. It's definitely giving like the bag of the year and I'm here for it. The silver stud's gorgeous. I love how Balenciaga hardware is always silver. It's just very me, and it's not like a shiny silver. It's more like a gunmetal silver. It's more of like a worn-in silver, and I like it. Gives it that like Y2K vintage grunge feel. With the pink, I think it has like a cute little contrast. So yeah, that is pretty much my mini bag unboxing for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I have dinner tonight with a friend, but I don't think I'm gonna wear this because I have my outfit picked out and I feel like this doesn't really go with the outfit, but you know, I love her, think about her all the time because she's just absolutely gorgeous. Perfect bag ever, my bag of the year guys, obsessed. And give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll definitely do like a what's in my bag. I've been doing a lot of those on like TikTok and Instagram Reels because I feel like I'm also very nosy and I always love seeing like what other girlies are carrying. I love a good what's in my bag, love a good pack with me. So if you guys want like short form what's in my bag videos, definitely check out my, you know, other social media platforms. But yeah, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a what's in my bag, because I still love those types of videos so much. So thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.